you are pregnant and have questions, go to Crossroads. They listen, they understand, and they care.
Basin Summer Sounds returns this weekend in Ephrata with 2 days of live music. 9 bands featuring a mix of country, rock, and jazz will hit the stage in front of the Grant County Courthouse Friday and Saturday for the annual Free Music Festival. Music starts at 5 p.m. on Friday, headlined by Seattle-based classic rock band Spike and the Impalers. Other bands on Friday include the Stony River Band and Jones and Fisher. Saturday's music kicks off at 1 p.m. with Alex Shaw and Friends. XEB, the original former members of the band Third Eye Blind, headlines on Saturday at 9 p.m. Other activities during the festival on Saturday include the Rim to Rim basketball tournament starting at 8 a.m., the Ephrata Farmers Market, food and vendors, and a beer and wine garden. For a complete list of the weekend's music and other activities, visit www.basinsummersounds.com. This is Joe Utter for iFiber1 News.